we're here to celebrate and to be able to set up for the summer to enjoy the second phase of the restoration of the Paradise Inn.
You know, it's really a special experience to me. I've been here so many years, and for me, I see the changes. I see every nook and cranny. I see the changes in the ceilings and the walls and the floor. The floor doesn't creak anymore when you walk on it. You know, the color. And it's really about rehabilitating the building, because it's not so much about you're going to change anything, you're going to restore it back to the grandeur that it was.
So if you imagine you had a 100-year-old house, right? And in that 100-year-old house you had an electrical system that the last time that it was upgraded was when Eisenhower was president, before the interstate highway system was created. And in this 100-year-old house with a 60-year-old electrical system, you were inviting thousands and thousands of people to come over every year to be able to spend the night. The work that has been done was literally where we started, was getting in, embracing the foundation, excavated over 600 dump truck loads worth of material to create a working space, shored up the beams, and then used 11 hydraulic jacks over 3 days to lift and level the entire building. And then the crews worked to build a foundation, a real concrete foundation, so that the building will be here for the next 100 years. Then the entire building was taken down to studs, the electrical system and the plumbing was modernized. And in the process of doing that, much of the architectural characteristics, the crown molding, the wood beams was salvaged and was taken off-site and was restored, so that when you walk through the building today, much of what you see in terms of the architectural detail is either original woodwork or it's been replicated to match it.
The fact that the building is now restored allowed us to restore the rooms, to put in all the new furnishings, to make the changes that we wanted to that'll make it so much more enjoyable for our guests. So I'm delighted with it, absolutely delighted.
Even though it's cloudy outside, we don't care. It's sunny inside.